Hello dear, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? Welcome back to your online classes. My name is Tazim sir and today we are going to learn new things. Okay my dear students, already we have done FA3 portions, means we have done chapter number 7 fraction and chapter number 8 shape, space and pattern we have done. So now today we are going to the what paper style of FA3 exams, and then we are going to do a revision of what paper style wise. Today we are going to revision of paper style wise, and then we will move on further my dear students. Okay, so today here we will going to preparation of FA3 exam. So now you take your book and what I am writing on my boards you also note down in your books. Okay, so first of all let's check here paper style and then we will move on further my dear students paper style wise question. So let's start here my dear students. How many chapters will come in an exam? 2 chapters will come. How many my dear students? 2 chapters. So I note down here 2 chapters. Here FA3 exam. Okay, so first of all is chapter number 7 or chapter number 8 and chapter number 8. Got my points my dear students, and then my dear students we will check here how many marks of this test. 20 marks. How many marks? 20 marks. Okay, it's 20 marks. And how many chapters? 2 chapters are there. So let's check here the paper style of this FA3 portion. FA3 exam of portion. So paper style what happens my dear students? Chapter number 7 is fraction and chapter number 8 is what? Shape, space and pattern. Now I am describing here both chapter. Fractions and chapter number 8 shape, space and pattern. This both chapter will become in our exam. So my dear students, this both chapter related to the exercise and related to the question today we are going to learn and today we are going to revise. So now we are writing the full portion. Means question number 1. Question number 1. Okay my dear students. So what is the question number 1? Let's check here my dear students. So here we will write the all things. Okay my dear students, here we will write the all things. So first is what? Write the fraction. Write the fraction for shaded part. For shaded parts. And how many marks of this question? 4 marks. How many? 4 marks. Then we will move on further my dear students. Question number 2. Then we will move on to question number 2. All write the fraction for shaded part. First of all you note down and then I will explain to you here. Say whether true or false. Say whether true or false. Put my points my dear students. It's also same 4 marks. Now we will move on for the question number 3. So let's check what is the question number 3 on. So question number 3 is choose a fraction, means choose a fraction choose a fraction to show about how much each one holds. Okay dear, it's also same of 4 marks. Now question number 4. So let's check here my dear students. Question number 4 is the dotted line the line symmetry means we have to say yes or no. Okay, and it's also how many marks? 4 marks. It's same also 4 marks. Now last question number 5. So question number 5 is find these objects look at them carefully and then complete a table complete the table. Okay, and it's also same of 4 marks. But my points, my dear students, what I am telling you now, you copy down this format, this paper style, and then I will explain you. So now start writing and copy down, my dear students, of all things. Okay. Then we will move on further, and I'll explain you all things, my dear students. You take a time. Okay, my dear students, what I am telling you, again I will repeat you, my dear. Today we are going to do the revision of FA3 exam. What? FA3 exam. Okay, how many chapters will come in FA3 exam? Total 2 chapters will come. Chapter number 7 and chapter number 8. What my points, my dear students? Okay. So now, what is the name of chapter number 7? Fractions. And what is the name of chapter number 8? Shape, space and patterns. Okay, so now let's check here the paper style of FA3 exam, my dear students. How many questions will come? Total total there are 5 questions will come. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now let's check what is the question. What is the question number 1? Question number 1 is write the fraction for shaded part. What, my dear students? Write the fraction for shaded parts. Understood? Then after the, what is the question number 2? Question number 2, say whether true or false. Okay. Then after, my dear students, what we have to do? Okay. Then after we will move on to question number 3. And how many marks of the both question? 4 marks. Each has a 4 marks. Okay, my dear students, now let's check the question number 3. Choose the fraction to show about how much each one hold. How much each one hold. Then after, question number 4 is the dotted line, the line symmetry. We have to check the line is symmetrical line. Okay, we have to check the symmetrical line, my dear students. Say yes or no. What my points, my dear students? We have to check. This line, this dotted line is what, my dear students? This dotted line is a symmetry. We have to write, we have to mention yes or no. Then after, question number 5, find this object. Look at them carefully and then complete the table. Okay, as like that we are going to learn. So today we are going to learn a question number 1, okay, or 2. So now let's check here, my dear students. All again I will explain you this paper style from the chapter number 7 or 8. So first question again I repeat. Write the fraction for shaded part. Means one image is there and you have to write the fraction for shaded part. Then after, say whether true or false. Means you have to check this sentence and then you have to say, check this image and you have to say this sentence true or false. What my points? That and 4 marks. How many marks? 4 marks. Then after question number 3, choose a fraction to show about how much each one hold. Means one anything and how much its whole you have to say. Okay, you have to write that. It's a 4 marks. Then after question number 4 is the dotted line. The line is symmetry. What, my dear students? Line is symmetry. If you say yes or no. Yes. If a line is symmetry, so you have to say yes, or if line is not symmetrical, non-symmetrical, so you have to say no. Okay, now we will check the question number 5. Find the object, means anything. Look at them carefully and then complete the table. It means you have to write anything, how many sides, how many corners, how many edges. You have to mention that. Understood, my dear students? Got my point? I hope you all are understood. So today we are going to learn a question number 1, 2. Today only 2. Then after 2, tomorrow we are going to learn a 2, and then 1. So here, as it is, we put the question number 1. How many marks of this question? First question 4 marks. How many marks? 4 marks. Okay, my dear students. So write the fraction for shaded parts. Understood all? We have to write the fraction for shaded parts. Okay, so now my dear students, I am giving here the example of these all things. Okay, means we are going to do the practice. What we are going to do? Practice. For a practice. Okay, my dear students, so we are writing here the all things. Okay. I fill the color here with the green color, green marker. Okay, my dear students. Okay, what is this? How many parts of this circle? Total whole parts. So means we have to write the answer denominator. First, what we have to write? We have to write the first denominator because of we count the whole parts. Means 1, 2, 3, and 4 means we are going to count the whole parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This circle has total 4 parts. How many parts? 4 parts. Good my dear students. 4 parts. And how many parts are shaded by a green color? Count it, see, look at them carefully. So 1 part. Okay, so means we have to mention in numerator 1. So see here, I am writing here whole part of the circle, the whole parts of the circle. No need to write in exam, you have to only mention this 1/4 the ratio. Whole parts of the circle, okay, and 1 part is shaded by green color. Green color. See my dear students, in other language what we are called, in other language it is the numerator and denominator. Okay, my dear students, you have to only mention we have to mention only this idea. No need to describe all things. It's just for knowledge and how we solve this question, this method. Okay, you have to only write this 1/4. Understood, my dear students? Now we will move on to question number B. So answer is what? 1/4. Okay, now let's check here a second. Okay, my dear students, it's the what we have to draw. You don't need to draw this, but you have to only check it properly. See my dear students. Okay, so what we are going to write here, we have to write here first of all we are going to count how many parts of this chocolates, this shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total there are 10 parts. How many parts? 10 parts. 10 total there are 10 parts. Got my points. And how many parts are shaded by a black one? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 parts are shaded by a black color. So ratio is means what is the fraction for shaded part? 4/10. What my dear students? 4/10. Understood? Put my points, my dear students. Then we will move on to question number 6. Okay. So here I am taking the one triangle. How many shapes? Sorry, how many parts? Okay, means we have to write the fraction for shaded part. So total there are 3 parts, 1, 2, and 3, and one is shaded part by one is shaded by a black pen, as like that. Okay, this all a practice sum you have to do in your book. Note down in your book, my dear students. Note down in your book quickly, and then we move on further, dear. Okay, now we take the textbook example. I hope we have done this, but again we are going to do the revision. Okay, my dear students, we have to write a fraction for shaded part. So see this, how many total parts are there here? There are total 4 parts. So we are writing here the 4. Then after, how many parts are shaded by black color? 1, 2 and 3. 3. Understood? It is a 3. Put my points all. Understood what I am telling you? Now we will move on to question number D. Sorry, E. And we fill this as like this. You have to fill with a pencil and full you shade or shading or you do the shading a full part shading. Okay. So now we will write the fraction for shading. But how many parts are here? 1, 2 and 3. 3 parts are here. And how many parts are shaded by a black color? Total how many parts are shaded? There are total 2 parts are shaded. There are total 2 parts. So fraction is what? 2 upon 3. What, my dear students? Fraction is 2 upon 3. Now question number F. See, my dear students. Okay, and we have to fill this. Now we have to do the shading. And then we will write, my dear students, a fraction for shaded part. What, my dear students? Then we will write the fraction for shaded part. What my points? How many total parts are here? Total 2 parts. Now how many parts is shaded by green color? 1. Understood? For my points, this is the question number done. 1 is we have done. Note down this all example, my dear students. Okay? Note down this question. Means note down this all question and answer, my dear students. And then after we will move on to question number 2. First of all, you write the instructions, write the fraction for shaded part A, B, C, D, E and F. Understood all, my dear? So, my dear, again I repeat, today's content is what? FA3 exams, portions revision. Okay, now my dear students, we will move on further what? Question number 2. Means we have to say whether true or false. Okay, means we have to say whether true or false. So now write the question number 2. So question number 2 is what, my dear students? Question number 2. Say whether true or false. How many marks? 4 marks. How many marks? 4 marks. Let's check here the question number 1. Okay, means we have to check the first of all we have to check the we have to draw the image. Understood, my dear students? First of all I am writing the question and then after 1/2 the glass has water. So means we have to draw it. Okay. C means this level of the water. Okay. See, my dear students, what is the question number 1? Question number 1 is 1/2 of the glass has water. See this glass. And if the glass is a full, see this is a 1/2. No, it's not a 1/2. So what is the 1/2 means 1/2's ratio of the water. See, this is, my dear students, ratio of the water. C means 1/2. It's the 1/2. It means this sentence is correct and this sentence is incorrect. Got my points, my dear students? So only this figure is for this sentence. So means there are we mentioned what? There are we mentioned false. Understood, my dear students? Then we will move on further. Question number 2 means B. Let's check here what is the question number B, my dear students. 1/2 means what? Question number 2. 1/2 the burger means 1/2 the burger is eaten. Okay, means I am writing here this image. Try to improve. No need to draw because of this drawing will come in your exam. That's why. Okay, my dear. Means see, my dear students, is half is eaten. Half is eaten. What, my dear students? Half is eaten burger. Okay, half is eaten burger. Okay, means 1/2 the burger is eaten. Is the half image. If full image is there as like that. See this, my dear students, is the full image of burger. Okay, the full image of the burger as like that. But it's the half image we cut the burger and this half image. So sentence is correct or incorrect? Correct, it's true. So 1 upon 2, the burger is eaten. Sentence is what? True. Yes, it's the half eaten. 1 upon 2 is eaten. Note down this all both questions. Okay, my dear students? No need to draw this drawing is just for knowledge, my dear students. Note down this both question or answer. And then we will move on a third. Okay, so my dear students, in homework you have to do this say whether true or false. Okay, 2 in chapter number 7. Got my points, my dear students. Your homework is what? Today is your homework question number 1 and 2. Try to solve your own self. Okay, means do the preparation of FA3 exam. Okay, thank you so much all of you. Thank you all.